Alright guys, you are welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a company or a portfolio website where you can showcase your services and what you have done so far. Alright, so I'll be showing you how you can design a full-fledged portfolio or company website. As you can see, this is a good example of a company website. You can see what it says here. You can see empowering startup and freelancers. You can see the home services portfolio and projects. You can see different portfolio. So I'll be showing you how you can create a good and a perfect company or portfolio website which you can use for your business and to showcase to your clients. All right. All right. We'll show you how you can create a full-fledged profile website like this. Like I said before, you can see this now. These are the services, okay, which I will show you how you can edit all of this. You can see these are proud certification. You can see that. You can see all of this information you have here. You can see them right down to the footer level. See the footer, how you can edit, integrate this map about our company, useful link, and all of that. Okay, so for you to start, you need to have a domain. You need to have a domain and have your own cPanel. So you can see this is my cPanel, which I will be using for this particular training. Okay, so for you, once you get your domain name from any of the web hosting company and you have your cPanel, all right, so from any of the web hosting company. So once you get your cPanel, you'll be given access to this. So now let's proceed. So since it's a WordPress site, so come over to WordPress, come to once your cPanel, you see WordPress here. All right, come down and click on install. So I'll just say profile. Let me use it as my directory. Then put in my information. All right, put in my information. All right, leave this part. So I'll click on install. All right, click on install. Very good. You can see that has been done. So I'll click on these two links. You can see the administrators admin link. So I'll just click on it, which will take me to this dashboard you are seeing here. So I'll come to appearance and come to themes. Okay, come to appearance, come to themes. Then click on add new. Right, once you click on add new, you click on upload because I want to upload it from my system. So I'll come to my download. You can see it here. Look at it. All right, come to themes. You can see it there. So I will install it. You can see it. I will install. So I'll just give it a few minutes to install. Once we install, we activate. Then we begin the process. It's very easy for you to work with. Very, very easy. Less than 20 to 45 or 1 hour, you are done with it. It's very, very easy. So just give it some time to install. All right, so just wait. All right, as you can see, the theme has been uploaded successfully. You can see it now. So the next thing for us to do is to activate. Click on activate. All right, click on activate. You can see the theme now. So once you activate it, you click on begin installing plugin. All right, then you click on this to select all. You can see all of them has been marked. Then you click on install, click on apply. All right, so you just wait for some time. Just give a few minutes for it to install successfully. All right, just wait. Okay, so once you installed, then next thing for us to do is to activate and begin the process. Remember, this is what we are trying to achieve. You can see it here. Very easy to edit. Show you how you can edit all of these text, change all this icon, choose your style. Then these are different brand logo. How you can edit all this item here. Right? How you can edit all, including the header. This is the header, while this is the footer. All right, so just do all of that and we get all of these things done. So while we are doing that, let's still wait for this to install. All right, as you can see, the installation has been done successfully. So we just click on return to plugin installer. All right, return, then you click on it again. This time around, we are activating. You can see you click on activate, click on apply. So it will activate all the plugins you have there. Right, to activate all the plugins, you can see it has been said the following plugins were activated successfully. So click on return to dashboard. Right, click on return to dashboard. Okay, so just wait. This is Elementor, and you just click on it to go back. Okay, good. So once you do that, this will pop up. So just click on yes, install this extension. Right, yes, install this extension. You can see it has been installed successfully. Then the next thing is you go to tools. Right, let me check. Let me go to dashboard and reload it again. So you come to tools. Once you come to tools, you will see demo content install. You can see it there. Click on demo content install. All right, these are two different listings. Why this has image, this one doesn't have image. So I'll click on this. You can see it there. I'll click on install. Okay. So you just give it some time so it will install. Right. So it's importing the content. So just give it a few minutes to import and then we are good. All right, as you can see, the whole process is done successfully. That is why you can see it now. As you can see, the whole thing is working perfectly. Right, the whole thing is working perfectly. So next thing is to create our menu. Right, we have to create our menu. Then I will show you how you can edit the header and edit the footer. Okay, then edit each of these pages. Okay, so let's begin the process. So I'll go to my dashboard. I'll come here, click on go to dashboard. Right, once I come to dashboard, it's telling me to update WordPress database. I would click on yes. I'll click on continue. That has been done. Okay, that has been done. So let's continue. So for you to change the menu, you come to appearance. Come to appearance and you click on menus. Come to appearance, click on menu. Right, what we are editing, you can see there are different menu here. I'm interested in the primary menu, which is the main menu. Click on it and I'll click on select. Okay, once you do that, you can see all the item. So for me not to get myself confused in all of this, I will just untick this, or better still, I will delete. Okay, you can tick it, you can delete it. All right, you can also do what's called box select. You can see it. So select what you don't want to be there. You can just select this. You can see the way I'm doing it now. All right. Okay, you can do this one now. Then I don't want that. Then I don't want this. I can leave my portfolio one. Then I'll remove the rest. Then come to services. I can bring this one up here. Then I'll remove these other ones. Okay, you can see the way I'm doing it is very, very easy. So these other ones, I don't want them to be on my menu. I can remove them. I can remove them. Okay. Then this other one too, I wouldn't want it to be on my. So I'll just take it. All right. Then this one, I'll bring it back. Can bring it back there. Then I'll remove all of this. Very, very easy. So this is my front end. So you can see that. Then I will untick these other ones. Then I can bring this one up as my. So I will remove that. Once we are done, you can see say remove box selected. Perfect. All right, you can see it's very perfect and neat. So I can change this instead of home consulting, I can just put home. All right, then this other one that says service listing, you can come here and say services. Then this one that says portfolio, you can do that. And just say portfolio, you can see it's very easy. Very, very easy. So this other one again, you can see list. Okay, good. Right, so once you are done, you can click on save. You can click on save. That has been saved. So you come to set again. If you refresh this, once you refresh, you can see what you have now. You can see it perfectly done. You can see that. So now that we have fixed our menu, now let's go and edit the footer, edit the header. So if you want to do that, come back again. If you come to appearance, all right, come to appearance and you come to, here's my appearance, come to appearance, come to customize. Right, let me open it in a new tab. So come to appearance, come to customize. Okay. So the first one is come to theme option. Let me go back again. Come here, come to theme option. You can see theme option here. Then now let me show you something. Okay, let's start with that. Come to theme option, come to general setting. If you come to general setting, you can see the preload. The preload is what I mean by preload. If I reload it now, you can see this thing popping up, this green thing that's popping up. That's what we call preload or preloader. All right, preloader. So if you don't want it to show, you can turn it off. It will not show. So if you want it to show, you leave it. Okay, if you don't want to show, turn it off and you publish. All right, so you turn it off, then you come back. Then this is typographical, okay, typography setting. Right, you can see if you want this is different fonts. You can see the different fonts there. Anyone you want, you can select and use. Come back again. Then you have the color. So if you want to change your color setting, if you click on that now, you can see you can change your color settings. Okay. Then this is the header. This is what I talked. This is the header. Right. The first one you are seeing is top bar enable. This is top bar where you have your phone number, this address, and this social icon. That's what we call the top bar. Okay, you can see it is enabled. Then this other one is enabled info item. These are the info item you are seeing there. Then this is top social icon. These are the social, the Facebook, the Instagram, the Twitter. These are the social icon. All right. Then this is the logo. You can see the logo. If you want to change the logo, you click on this. Right. You click on select image. You change the logo. Right. It's very very easy. You can see change the logo. Then you can see this part that says contact us. This is the contact us. Let me show it on the. You can see the contact us. You can see it. This is it here showing the contact us. So if you don't want to that to be there, you can change it. If you want to put about us, then this is the link. Then this is the header top info item. Click on it. You can see the phone number. You can see the phone number. This phone number that is here now. If I remove that and I put, you can see that. Okay. You can see very easy. You can see the phone number displayed them. Then this is the second one, address. Right. You can see the second one, which is the address. You can see the address. You can see it. You can also change it. All right. Sorry. Can remove that. I say Port Harcourt. Okay. All right. You can see Port Harcourt showing perfectly. Then you can see the social icon. These are the social icon you have there. You can see the first one is Instagram. Put your Instagram link. The second one is YouTube. This is not the spelling of YouTube. All right, this is not the spelling of YouTube. Or I just change to Twitter or something else. And I can see this thing. All right, the third one is Snapchat. You can put your Snapchat link. You can see face all like color. Reels. If you want to change it, you can change. I prefer to use Twitter. All right, prefer to use Twitter. All right, to change it, you can see Twitter has changed there. Then you put the Twitter link. Then the last one is what you can see Avato. You can change it to Facebook. Right, prefer to change to Facebook. It will change to Facebook icon. Very easy. You can see all of those changes taking effect instantly. So you don't need to struggle in doing that. If you still want to add more social icon, you can click on add. Right, let's go back. So once you are done with all of these settings, you come back again. Then you come to header styling. You can see the header styling. This is the top background. That's what this means. You can see top BG, top background. If you want to change the color of this top background, maybe for instance, you want to put it in black. You can see it has changed to black. Very easy. Right. If you want to change to transparent, you just remove that. If you want to change to this color, you can see. Right. It's very easy. Very easy. So any effect, let me go back again. Any effect that you make that you want to reverse, you can see this is what reverse to the default one. That is what that one means there. And you can see the border color. Okay. Then the top bar, the main header styling, the background. This is the main where you have the logo. You can also do all of that. You can see all the items there. Okay, that is how you do that. Anything at all you edit there, just click on publish so it will take effect. Okay, then I will click on go back. Then what other thing again? Go to blog setting again, enable banner if you want to enable that. So you just go through all these settings one after the other. So and also if you are doing it, anyone you are not sure of, don't touch it, just leave it. All right, don't touch it, just leave it the way it is there. Then you come to footer. Where is the footer? All right, you can see the footer settings, footer settings, footer styling, page settings. Let me look at the footer. Now this is style one. You can see there are different styles, style one and style two. Now let me take you to the footer section. This is the footer section. All right, this is the footer section. Okay, so the first one you are seeing newsletter. Right, newsletter. Okay, you can see that here. This is it. This is the newsletter. Right, you can say subscribe. Control Z. I'll say subscribe to our newsletter. Okay, so this is the message you are seeing here. Just wait for it to take effect and see what it says. Subscribe to our newsletter. You can see it's showing there. Then this is the background of this. You can change the background. All right, so you come down again. You can see this copyright. This is the copyright we are talking about. Copyright, all right, reserved by this. You can change it to your name, change to the name of your business. Copyright or by expert solutions. Okay, you can see that I can put that there. All right, then footer set, where is it? You can see it has changed. As you are doing it, it's taking effect instantly. Now that is the first one. Now look at the footer sidebar one. Click on it. Okay. What is this one saying? Column. This okay. Let's go back to this two. Okay, that is this in there. Now these are the different items there. You can see the first one. If you click on it here, if you click on it, you can see it. Edit. You can edit useful links. All right. If you also come down to this side where you have this pencil-like icon, if you click on it too, you will also be able to edit it. You can see that edit this too. Then I'll show you how you can edit this map. Okay, so all right, let's go back. So that is how you edit the footer. Now let's go back and check how we can edit the full site. Okay, let's go and edit the full site. Now the first one we are having here is this is the main site. You can see it. So if you want to edit it now, you just come over because we'll be using Elementor to edit. Just open the page. The first page we are having here, this is the home page. I want to edit the home page. I will click on edit with Elementor. I will click on it. Once I click on edit with Elementor, it will load up. All right, it will load up. Just give it some time so it can load very well. All right, so click on continue and I will close this. So you can see all the item now. Let me close this too. So for me to edit, as you can see, as I'm moving my mouse around it, it's showing me the different area I want to edit. Now, let's say, for instance, I want to build a site uh, for maybe an interior design firm or kind of this, or a photography or any of these business websites or a normal digital marketing website. So it won't be a difficult thing for you to do that. Now, to generate content, if you go to ChatGPT, you go to ChatGPT, right? Let me open my other, okay, let me just open my other tab. If I go to ChatGPT, okay, if I go to ChatGPT, let it load. So once I go to my ChatGPT, I can generate content from there. I don't want to just go through the straight of creating a new one. So let me just, these are the different topics I've written articles on. So let me just come back to this one again and click on this. So I'll just come here. Now I want to say write a home page a home page content for a um, for a digital marketing website. All right. So okay, write a home page content for a digital marketing website. All right. Just wait. You can see what it's saying. Look at it now. At Boost S, it's just using that as a case study. So you can put your business name there. All right. Look at what it's saying. All right. You can see all the content. This tool has helped me to generate content that I can use for my site. So irrespective, now let me still go again. I copy this and I change it. Let me come back here. I come back here and say, okay, write a homepage content for a real estate website. All right, once I press enter, you can see generating. All right, welcome to Dreamspace Realty, your trusted partner in finding perfect home for your dreams. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a seasoned investor, or looking for your forever home, we are here to make your real estate journey smooth, enjoyable, and rewarding. Okay, you can see all the content being generated for you by this tool. Now, if you come to our site and want to edit, okay, now like for instance, we are designing for a real estate, we want to edit all of this now. Looking at the fact that we have gotten enough content, you can see. So all I need to do, imagine I'm doing it for a real estate now. This becomes, just copy this, right? If I copy and I come here now, you can see it's just a matter of arrangement. So if, for instance, I don't like this, I can click here, right, and select my style. Let's say I want to do a two-column this thing, come here, okay, then this part I'll put image, you can see image there, you can see image being posted there, then I'll come here, I'll put title, all right, or I can even drag, I can even copy this, can even copy, then come here and I paste. You can see that. So you can see the way it is. Either I work with this or I design my own. Okay, so come here. Then this is the title, this cover, right? Come copy it. Okay, good. You can see it there. Paste it. You can see that. Then this one, this title, I come here. Okay, welcome to. I'm using this as a case study. I can copy. All right, it's very easy, very easy. So I come here. Okay, this is it here. You can see that. Then I attach image here. Right, I attach image. Come here, look for a good image. You come to media library, you might see one or two images which you can use. All right, you can see different this thing. Let's say I want to use this, you can see insert, you can see that. All right, then just keep on doing your thing. Now, if you also have it in such a way that you can edit this, you can see all this content you are seeing, you can edit them. You can edit the content, you can see them here. So if I want to get my content, look at my content, our trim expert, I copy, okay, come here, Control A, Control V. You can see that being posted. All right, you can see that being posted. This one too, you also edit it. You can see all these ones too. So this is a 4-column setting. So if you want to edit it, you also click on it. You can see the style. All right. Then you can see the content here. You can see the content. You can edit the content. The title is US recharging. So if I come here for instance, now I want it to be, I can say, or better still, let me use a different, can copy this. Once I copy that, I come over to this page again. This is my title, I remove and I paste. Market insight and analysis, you can see it showing. So it means that you can edit this in the next 30 to 1 hour. You can edit this. Okay, you can see all of them. Once you are doing anything at all you do, you save changes. You can see just save changes. You can see that has been saved. All right, so you just keep on doing the stuff one after the other. This is the home page. The moment you are done with the home page, Imagine you're done with the home page, you save the work you've done, then you come back again. Okay, you come again to the pages. Let me just open the pages. Okay, come to the pages. All right, remember we are editing this, how many, these six. You can see them, the home, the about us, the services. We are editing these six menu items. All right, so this is the about us. You can click on edit with Elementor. All right, so in this now, it is perfect for you to work with irrespective of the site you are building. And I've also showed you a way you can generate content for your website, irrespective of the kind of website you are building for yourself or for your client. Okay, you can see this about us now. You can see it. So now look at the content they have here. You can see all these pictures and all of this. So if you click on it, you can see it will display here. Come to style, look at the style you have. There are different styles, style 1 and style 2. Right, now you have this item here which is says, okay, I'm using style 1. Now look at all this. Okay, so you have the item. You can see it says 3 column. You have 3 column here. Okay, so if you also want to be in 2 column, you can also do that. Now all these items you are seeing, they are listed here. You can see them. The first one is US Flutter and US UI design, US research, and Flutter. These are the categories. You can see Flutter development. Now, then you have this content here. You can edit it. You can see this one says helping ambition. You can see it right up here. Then if you also come to this one, if you also come to this one, you can also edit that part too. So you also edit that. Then you come back here again. You can see this. This is an image. You can see the image here. So if, for instance, I don't like this, I don't want it to be on the side, I'll just come here and I'll click on delete, and that one is gone. Okay, so this is the footer. You can see that the footer is not showing. So all the things we are working with, they are all here. So if you're also coming to this part and you discover that it's not just giving you what you want, so you can also edit. All right, or you come here now, if I click on it, you'll see that different style. If I select style 2, let me select style 2 and see how you can see the way style 2 is now. You can see style 2, you can see US, you can see UI design, right? You can see style 1, yes, style 1, that's style 1. Okay, so the same way you get the content, you also edit the content with each of the pages. All right, so now that we have done that, then let me show you how you can edit the slider revolution. You can edit the slider revolution. So if you come to this, if you come down here, you will see slider revolution, then click on it. Remember, you are editing all these pages one after the other. You are editing all these pages one after the other. All right, so come down to this now. Okay, so let's just wait for the slider revolution to load. Once it loads up, I'll show you how you can edit the slider revolution. Okay, so it's very easy for you to build irrespective of the kind of website you want to build for yourself, for your business, for your client. Okay, with the help of this tool, this software you are seeing here, you can generate as many content as possible. So once you generate the content for you, just go through the content before you use it. Right, so you can see this one is for the digital our services, search engine optimization, improve your website visibility and organic ranking with our SEO, with our expert SEO services. We will optimize your website to attract your target audience and attract competitor on search engine. That is one of the service. Look at another one. So these are the different services you can get. Okay, so this is still loading. All right, so this tool will help you get the right content. Okay, if you also decide to go down and say, okay, come down again, say copy, and I come here, say write about us, and say write about us content for a real estate website. You'll be amazed at the kind of, you can see what it's saying, you can see what it's saying, you can see what it's saying, you can see what it's saying. Now look at this, and it says, we understand that buying a property is one of the best significant decisions you will ever make in your lifetime. That's why we are dedicated to being your trusted partner throughout your real estate journey. With a passion for real estate and commitment to exceptional service, we strive to make the process smooth, seamless, and ultimately rewarding for every client we serve. Who we are, Dream Estate is a leading real estate agency that operates with integrity, honesty, and a genuine desire to help our clients achieve their real estate goals. Our team of experienced and knowledgeable real estate agents brings a wealth of expertise to the table, ensuring that you have the best guidance and support at every step. Where what sets us apart, you can see it, client caring, local market experts, personalized service. So you can see that this tool is giving you the right content to put on your website. So once you have that, you can easily do that on your site. Don't think about this loading. All right, you can see the started revolution. So what I will do is I will close it here. Then you can see that there are different modules here that has been installed on it. So I'll just click on the first one, click on it and wait for it to load up. So once it loads, you can now edit it. Can I edit? So once it loads, you can edit. All right, so you can see the slider resolution has loaded up, so you can see it now. So for you to edit this content, you can see as I'm moving my mouse around it, you are seeing this box like icon showing. So what you just need to do to edit, just double click on it. You can see the text showing up here. So if you want to change this text, like I showed you before, you can see the text that was given to us by this software. So you can use it if you want. That's if you want to add text there. Sorry. So if I come here now and I Control A, Control V, so you can see it has been pasted. This is a link. You can see what it's showing there. All right. So if peradventure you don't like this, you want to add a box or an icon or what will I call that now? A button. So if you come to this plus sign there, you can see button. Click on it. If you click on it, you can see the different type. So I want this. I'll select that. I'll click on this now. You can see it showing there. So if I want to use this, I can just drag it down. All right, let me delete it. So once you select the one you like, if you want to delete, then just click on it and press delete from your keyboard. You can see I will put this one there. Then I will, you can see what it's saying. I say learn more. I see the button. All right. So now if I want to add a link so that when they click on it, it will take them somewhere. So you just come down to this, sorry. Okay. Okay. So you come down here and select action. You can see action here. Click on it. Then come here and select simple link. Then paste your link here. You can see link URL, paste it there. All right. So just put hash. So this means that it's not going anywhere. So if you want to put your link there. All right. So once you do that, you close it and you save. You can see it's saved. Now slide up the save. So if I come to my site and reload it again, if I come to my site, this is where I'm working from. I come here and paste. All right. So you can see the button. You can see the button. It's very easy. You can see what I've done so far. Look at the little work I did there. All right. So it's very easy for you to edit. Now, if you want to change this image, let me go back to the slide. If you want to change the image or you don't like this image that is here, you want to change it, you can see this image now. If you want to change, you can see the image showing here. Click on your once just first of all, click on the image from here. Once you click on it, come to your media library. If you come to your media library, you can select your image. If the image you want to upload is not here, you are free to upload. All right, upload your image. All right, let me just pick one here. Let me say I want to use this. All right, you can see it now. Then you can see the image is kind of big. So you can see the image, you can reduce it. See the way it is, I can still reduce this further. All right, so once I've done, I save, come back here again and refresh. So as you are taking part in it, you can see all of the changes are taking effect. So now the last thing there is that if you take your mouse here to where you have your sites, there's what we call there's what we call site identity. All right, you can see once you take your mouse here, it's showing WordPress, my WordPress blog. So just come to your site, come to your settings. You can see settings here. Where is the settings? You can see settings here. Come to settings and click on general settings. So once you click on general settings, you can change the name. You can put it there. All right. Change to the name you want, any of the name you want. Put it there. If your business name, remember we are looking at what is the name we're looking at? Okay, we are looking at real estate name, which is okay, Dream Space Reality. All right. So I can come here and I paste. Control A, Control V, Control A, Control V. All right. So if we still want to do something further, I can copy this. I will come to this my software and I say write a good motto for sorry for this. I say write a good motto. You can see unlocking dream shaping space. All right, unlocking dream shaping space. Now, if I want to make it more clearer, copy this. I'll come here again. A good motto for a real estate website called. Put it there. So with this now, it will be much more clearer for the tool. You can see it now. Turning your dream into reality, one space at a time. So if this is the most, I can copy this. Then I'll come to my site. Then this becomes my tagline and drop it there. Okay, on top it there. So once you finish, you just save. So with this, you can see that it's very, very easy for you to build a company website for your brand without going through any struggle. All right, it's very easy for you to work with. You can see that so far so good. Look at the job we have done so far. You can see the menu. All right, you can see all of these items and you can see our footer. So with this, you can see that we have treated everything we need to do on this particular. All our pages are working perfectly. You can see the contact us. If you click on this contact us now, it should take us to the contact us page. You can see the contact us page. You can see this is the map, while this is the address. You can have all of these parts there. You can see our newsletter still showing. Okay, so thank you guys for participating in this. Now, for you to get access to this particular script we have used for this video, okay, so if you need this script, just click on you check the description below this video. You see a number there, so just contact the number on the description below. You get access to the material that is used on this video. Thank you guys for staying to the end. God bless you. Please do well to subscribe and share.